Welcome back to Factorio, and today I want to try to get green circuits done and maybe start on automating science. Right now I've got some science going up here. I gotta feed this manually. Speaking of which, I gotta dump some wood in there. I do have, I'm making an anti-material rifle. I guess that's a sniper rifle. And I'm making ammo for it. Should be fun to try out. Alright, do I have any wood? No. That's okay. We got plenty here. Alright, there we go. So, green circuits, wood, iron plate, and copper cable. Okay. I guess we'll keep going down. For now. I don't know how long this bus thing is gonna be, but I don't want to do that forever. That's kinda boring. Let's get rid of these cliffs. 14 cliff explosives left. Oh boy. Alright, we're expanding our defenses a little bit. Now, I don't think I can build on this stuff. The creep. Oh, I can. Okay, good. Well, I still don't like it there. I want to get rid of it. Automation. How do I get rid of the creep? I know I need it for military science. So maybe I gotta research that first. Oh, I don't need it for military research data. What? That's odd. Okay, with bioprocessing, I can make biomass. What do I use the biomass for, and how do I pick it up? Um... Shovel? No. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's look in the recipe thing. Biomass. Okay, that tells me how to make it. What do I use it for? I use it to make a biolab. But it's made in a biolab. How do I pick it up? Will my bots pick it up when I get bots? There used to be like a tool that you can use to pick it up. Like a shovel or something. Let's try these construction robots. Let's put... Roboport. There we go, personal Roboport. And a battery. And... generators. There we go. Now, I have to fill these. Whoops. Coal, that works? Yes? Okay. Okay, the bots... they're working, right? Oh, they do. They do pick up the biomass. So how do I pick it up by hand? Alright, let's go to... gotta be a way to do this. There's like an in-game help thing. Where is that? No. It's been so long since I've, tips and tricks. Okay, there we go. Creep. Spider nests generate creep that can be harvested to produce biomass. Biomass is used for military research and to make a few items, like item fertilizer and first aid kits. Now here we go. Creep can be harvested with a creep collector, found in the shortcut bar, or by pressing Alt-C. Creep collector, there we go. Interesting. So it's not an actual item. I want to put it on my hotbar, but I can't. I could put it on my shortcut bar, but I have no room. I have to take something off. Maybe I can make my shortcut bar bigger. Alright, well I can't add more buttons to my bar here. Which is unfortunate, but that's okay. We can just use Alt-C for the creep collector. So that's That's nice to know. Also, in the mod settings, I had a setting turned on for Krastorio. Peaceful mode here. So, I turned it off. So that's if you're playing in peaceful mode, so that the military science won't cost biomass, because obviously you can't get biomass if there's no biters. So I turned that off, and now the recipe for military science should be different. Biter research. Yeah, there we go. Now biter research costs 10 biomass. Okay. We did it. Here, go away. Alright. We got it. Figured it out. Now the biomass will become important. Alright, so green circuits. One wood, one iron plate. Or copper cables. Copper cables are produced 4 per second. Electronics consume 4 every 2 seconds. Well, that's a nice little ratio there. So that's 2. Let's see. Let's just sort of design something down here and then we can scale it. Something like this. 2 for each green circuit. That's a different ratio than vanilla. And the green circuit needs 1 iron plate and 1 wood. And this is going to be 4 copper cables, which is 2 copper plates. Okay. Okay, that works out pretty well then. So 1 belt of copper and half belt of wood and half belt of iron. Let's see here. Where's my inserters? Get those on my hotbar. For the other side, gonna need a whole different belt though. How long do these take to make? 2 seconds. Okay, that's longer than vanilla. Let's do something like this. So 1 belt of copper on each side, and then 1 belt of iron, 1 belt of wood. And that's all gonna make 4 belts total. 2 belts, actually, I should say. 2 belts of iron, electronic circuits. Oh, these ratios are weird. Okay, I just want to get some of this built, and then I can copy it to a blueprint. So the output, let's say we have the output going down here like this. That's pretty cool. One on each side. Of the belt. And if all these input belts are filled, we should get 2 full output belts of green circuits. Let me just use this max rate calculator thing, Control N, select all of this, and it'll show the items per second that we're consuming and producing. Oh, well, I did some calculations wrong. Oh, yeah. I reversed the... Oh, jeez. Okay, I reversed the... I got these cables and circuits ratios inverted here. That's great. It's 2 circuits. Two circuits per copper cable. Yeah, that's 4 per second. That consumes 2 per second. Yeah, okay. Alright, we gotta do this over. Might as well make use of my bots here. Sorry if this is not that interesting. It's only got to be done once, this whole design process, then I can... just copy and paste it. Alright, now, what about the output? Okay, well, I think that'll work. We got the red inserters here that should output onto the far end of the belt, and the yellow inserters will output onto the inside of the belt here. So we should get an even distribution. I'm actually not sure if the red inserters will input on the far side of the belt if it's 2 tiles away. It probably will. I am sure they behave just like the yellow inserters, but I gotta try it. Let's kind of recreate this scenario here. See what happens. Yeah, that works. They're on the right side there. Okay, copy this and reverse it. Shift F. Alright, Control N. Now let's look at the inputs and outputs. Okay, output 8 copper cable, input 8 copper cable, that's perfect. Input 4 copper plates, 2 iron plates, 2 wood, yeah. And the output is 4 green circuits. Yeah, so if we have one column of this with all the input belts filled, we should get two belts of green circuits as the output. Let's just add some power poles here, and then we can copy it as a blueprint. Okay, all of these wires are driving me nuts. Get rid of them. Shift click. Get rid of the wires. I gotta place these wires manually. There we go. Same with these. I hope when I put down the blueprint, the wire configuration stays the same. I think it does. Cool. Put that on our hotbar there. Delete it. And we finished cars. I can make a new car. Beautiful. Alright, I guess we'll go with railways. I'm not quite ready to progress to rails just yet, but come on, bots, pick up the pace here. There we go. Okay. Well, I guess I'm putting green circuits down here. And this should be fully tileable. I actually don't know how many of these I'm going to need to put down. Let me help the bots out here. Oh god, no, they're going to mess up my wiring. Well, we'll have to live with it. Nope. It's backwards. Dang it. Sorry, bots. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna fix these wires off camera, I think. That does kind of annoy me. That they're just kind of going all over the place. There we go. Do your thing. I need engines. Cannot be crafted by hand. Oh, great. And we're out of assembling machines. This might actually be a good time to... I could have used assembling machine 2s. Maybe we can just upgrade to that. Now, with assembling machine 2s, might be the case that my inserters are not going to be able to keep up. I think they will. Because they're still... It still takes 2 seconds, and the crafting speed is 0.75. Yeah, they'll be able to keep up. Yeah, these are a lot slower than in vanilla. I need to grab more red circuits here. More inserters. Okay, more of those. Alright, so that's going to get us 12. So we can double that. Oops. Let's just do that. There we go. And then one more. Oh, but we're using the old inserters here. Or old assemblers. I gotta replace those. Come on, bots. I believe in you. I need more assembly machines. Which means I don't have them automated. Let's see. What do they take to make automation cores? How come I can't make any of those? I don't have copper on me. Let's grab some copper so we can do some handcrafting. That is something I gotta automate, these assembly machines. And while I'm here, let's go ahead and pick up these armor-piercing rounds. Put those in there. What? Oh no, I'm making the wrong thing. Anti-material rifle magazine. Oh. Armor-piercing rifle magazine, that's for my regular gun. Okay, well, let's just start making those from now on. And, but I also want anti-material rounds. There we go. I don't think I'll need that many. Let's just do one stack and then I'll just so I can try it out. See how well this gun works. Okay. We're almost done here. Okay, I think we got everything. So all that's going to give us, yep, 30 electric circuits, and the inputs are 30 copper plates and 15 each of iron and wood. Ooh, perfect. Looks good. Looks amazing. I'm gonna have to make a proper balancer for this. I'll do it later. Oh, why do I have that? Oh, I need more space between there. Okay, we'll do the same thing here. And I only have one belt of copper, so this isn't gonna be working 100%. It's actually a half a belt of copper. It's pretty pathetic. I'm gonna have to well, first of all, I can upgrade all of this to steel furnaces. That'll help a lot. Actually, what I'm going to do is we're going to keep that wood there. Because I want some wood on the belt for science. Okay, then we got the output. I suppose we could just put the output here. We'll have 2 lanes of green circuits. That'll be fine. Perfect. Let's grab some of those. That's probably all I'll do. I don't need a huge bus. I want to kind of try to transition to trains. So I don't want to spend too much time on this bus thing. Fast inserters. Take steel and electronic circuits. A lot of new stuff I can make. Alright, last thing I'm going to do right now is make sure this place is well defended. Looks like I've got turrets all around. Yeah, I think we're good. Alright. Well, that's just about does it. That's the green circuit episode, I guess. So we designed a factory to make green circuits. Two conveyor belts of green circuits. These ratios are kind of interesting. I like them more than vanilla, I think. It turns out the result is very very clean, very nice. We're just using 1 full conveyor belt each of wood and iron, 2 full conveyor belts of copper, and we get 2 full conveyor belts of green circuits. Everything works out really nice, and of course the copper here is really struggling, and that's fine. We can add more copper lines and upgrade these to steel furnaces. I gotta automate steel furnaces because I've been making them by hand. Yeah, we got a lot of handcrafting going, which is okay, but we don't want to rely on that forever. Alright, so pollution is still doing okay. We might get attacked on the east side there, but yeah, so now we got green circuits, and next time I think we can try to automate some science, fully automate science. We have everything we need, so that should not be too difficult. Alright, thank you for watching.